class. Today, I'll ask some questions. Will you give the answers? Yes. How many ears do you have, children? Ears. How many ears do you have? Yes, 2. How many eyes? 2. Girls, how many plates do you wear? 2. Very good. See, if you go to a shop and ask earrings, how many earrings he will give? Only 1? No. How many? 2. Yes. Like this. 2 earrings he will give, no? Yes. I too went to a shop to bring the hangings. See, how many hangings he gave to me? 2. Do I need only 1? No. So, how many they gave? 2. Remember, children? How many? 2. Next, we keep specs for our eyes. How many glasses are there here? 2. Very good. So, when 2 things of same, we name it as a pair. What we name it? Pair. A pair of hangings. A pair of earrings. A pair of spectacles. Scissors. A pair of scissors. Very good. So today I am going to do an activity based on these pairs. Children, collect some items like erasers, pencils or hair clips, hair bands will be in your home, isn't it? So collect like that items. I will show how to use those items. Okay children, are you ready? Children, to make an activity, I have collected different things of different numbers. For what children? For making pair activity. Which activity? Pair activity. See children, what is there in my hand? Bird. Yes, only one bird. Can I make as a pair with bird? One bird? No. So this is out. Next, look at here. How many are there here? 2. Yes, we can make as a pair with 2 things. Yes, these 2 are pair. Next, how many are there here children? 3. Yes, here 3 gum bottles are there. Now start making a pair with how many? Only 2. Yes. Then what about this? Out. We cannot pair with this 1 gum bottle. Next, I have taken here 4 wheels. How many children? 4. Yes, now make a pair with 2 wheels. Again 2 wheels. Here any wheel left? No, nothing left. So 4 things can make as pair and again pair. Next, I have taken here 5 things. How many? 5. Let us make a pair. 2, 2. And what about this? We cannot pair with only one object. So, out. Next, see children here. What are these? Sharpeners. How many are there here? 6. Yes, start making as a pair. 2 sharpeners as a pair. Again 2 sharpeners as a pair. And again 2 sharpeners as a pair. Here anything left? No. Children, I have taken 7 coins here. How many coins are there? 7. Let us start making a pair. How many coins do we need? 2. Yes, I have taken, see, 2 coins and make as a pair. Again 2 coins as a pair. Again 2 coins as a pair. Now how many left with me? 1. Can we make a pair with 1? No. So this coin out. Next. How many coins I have taken here? 8. How many are there? 8. Start making a pair with 2. Yes, 1, 2. Again 2. 1, 2 as a pair. Again 2. 1, 2 as a pair. Again 2. Here I have left any more? No, nothing. So with the 8 we have done 4 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, here I have taken 9 sketch pens. How many are there, children? 9 sketch pens. Come on, let us make a pair. 1, 2 as a pair. Again 1, 2 as a pair. Again 1, 2 as a pair. Again 1, 2 as a pair. Now how many left with me? Only 1 sketch pen. Can I make as a pair? No. So this one out. So with 9 we have made 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs and 1 left. Here look at these blocks. How many are there here? 10 blocks are there. How many? 10. Now let us make a pair with 2 blocks. 1, 2. Again 2 blocks. 1, 2 as a pair. Again with 2 blocks I made a pair. Again 2 blocks. 1, 2 as a pair. Again 2 blocks. How many pairs are there here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any block is left? No. Children, what are they? Balls. Yes, I have drawn here different number of balls. Let us make as a pair. First, how many balls are there here? Only 1. Can we make as a pair? No. To make pair, how many things we need? 2. But here only 1 is there. We cannot make as a pair. So, 1. 1. No pair. 2. Yes, we can make as a pair. 2. We can make as a pair. Next here, how many are there? 3. We can make these 2 balls as a pair. Then this one? No. 3 cannot make as a pair. Next, how many balls are there here? 4. Yes, we can make it as a pair. Number 4 can make as a pair. Next, 5. No. So 5 cannot make as a pair. Next, 6. Can we make as a pair? Yes. Any ball is left here? No ball left. So 6 can make as a pair. Next, 7. Think, children, can we make it as a pair or not? No. 6 for 7, 1 ball left. So 7 we cannot make as a pair. Next, for Yes. We can make as a pair. We can make as a pair. Next for 9. For 9. No, we cannot make as a pair. For 10. Yes, these two as a pair. These two we can make as a pair. These two we can make as a pair. And these two also we can make as a pair. So the number 10 can be made as a pair. Now let us give a name. Which numbers can make a pair? Which numbers cannot make a pair? See, 1 cannot make a pair. 2, yes. 3, no. 4, yes. 5, no. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, yes. 9, no. 10, yes. We can make it as a pair. Now, I told let us keep a name. What is that name you know? The things which can put in a pair. The things which we can put in a pair are called even numbers. What we call? Even numbers. And what about like these things which cannot be put in pairs? That numbers are called odd numbers. What we call? Odd numbers. So today's topic is even numbers and odd numbers. See, 1 can be put as a pair? No. So this is odd. What is this, children? Odd. 1 is odd number. 2 we can put as pair? Yes, we can put as pair. So 2 is even number. What is 2? Even number. 3, no. So odd number. 3 is odd number. Then 4 can be put in pairs. So 4 is even number. 5, no, we cannot put as a pair. So what is its name? Odd. 5 is odd number. 6 can be put as pairs. So 6 is even. 6 is even. Then 7, odd. 7 is odd number. 8, yes, it's even number. 8 is even number. Then 9 can be put as pair? No, we cannot be put as a pair. So 9 is odd. What is this, children? Odd. Then 10, yes, even. 10 can be put as in pair. So 10 is even. Children, here I have taken many number of apples and stars. Let us put it in pairs. First, these 2 apples as a pair. These 2 apples. These 2 apples. These 2 apples. These 2 apples. Next, these 2 apples. Here any number of apples are left? No. Sir, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many apples? 12 apples are there. Any apple left over? No. Here all the apples can be put in pairs. So if any number can be put in pairs means what we call even or odd? Yes, even. 12 is even number. Next, let us put in pairs these stars. These 2 as a pair. These 2. These 2. These 2. These 2. These 2. Then what about this star? Do it have any pair? No, it does not have any pair. So, can we make as a pair? No. What? Only 2 things can make as a pair. Here only 1 star is there. We cannot be put in pair. Count which is the number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. Now open 1. Is it even or odd? Odd. 2. Yes, these two are paid. 2 is even. Now 3. Does it have paid? No. 3 is odd. 4. Even. 5. Odd. Now 6. Even. 7. Odd. 8. Even. 9. Odd. 10. Even. Understood? Yes. Children, show me your 3 fingers. Yes, 3 fingers. Are they even or odd? Even or odd? Odd. Very good. Now open 5 fingers. 5. Are they even or odd? Odd. Yes, 5 is odd. Now open your 8 fingers. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. Are they even or odd? Yes, even. 8 is even. Very good. Open your 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Open your 10 fingers. Yes, 10. Are they even or odd? Yes, even. 10 is even number. Okay, children. Till 1 to 10 we have learned. Then what about 2-digit number and 3-digit number? Let us learn without confusion whether the given number is even or odd. Okay? Yes. 10. 10 is even. Good. If I take 11 things, 11 is odd. 11 is odd. 12. We have drawn 12 apples. 12 is even or odd? Yes, even. Then 13. 13 is odd. 13 is odd. Then 16. If I take 16, 16 is even. 16 is even. How means? The number, whatever number, we have to check the ending digit. If the ending digit is 0, it is even. If the ending digit is 1, it is odd. 2 even. 3 odd. 6 even. The number 16 is even. Yes. Children, we have a conceptual sound on even and odd numbers. Let us learn that. See. Numbers, numbers ending with, ending with. Numbers, numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All are odd, all are odd. Numbers, numbers ending with. Numbers, numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. All are even, all are even. Children, here some numbers are given. You have to write even or odd for the given number. See, the first number 48. 4, 8, 48. In 48, which is the ending digit? 8. What is the ending digit? 8. So, 8 is even or odd? Even. So, the number is even. 48 is even number. Next, 34. What is the ending digit here? 4. 4 is even or odd? Even. So, the 34 is even. See, within a second we can give the answer. 63. What is the ending digit here? 3. So, it is even or odd? Odd. So, the given number is odd. 35. Ending digit is 5. So, 5 is odd. So, 35 is odd. Here, what is the ending digit? 9. So, even or odd? Odd. What is this? Odd number. 69 is an odd number. 124. 4 is even or odd? It is ending with 4. 4 is even. So, the number 124 is an even number. What is this? What is this number? Read children. 325. This number is ending with 5. 5 is odd. So the number is an odd number. 325 is an odd number. What is this number? 439. It is ending with the digit 9. 9 is odd. So the given number 439 is an odd number. What is this children? Odd number. Yes, like this you have to practice on your own by taking different numbers. Will you practice children?